All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, no Milwaukee stuff this week. We're talking about a new product from a relatively new company. It's called the Goose Grip Innovative Work Lights. Now, this is a small company. Now, full disclosure, they sent me these products to do a review on, get the word out about them. I will put their company link in the description if you want to check them out. Pretty cool products. They've got some new stuff coming as well, but they're just cool lights to, well, help you work on cars. So let's talk about it. Now, they have a cool articulating head on them. They have a light bar. They come with rechargeable batteries, but they do have the option to hook it up to 12-volt power, and it also comes with a charging brick to charge the batteries. You know, you just turn a switch on and they come on and they work. Runtime, I'm not sure about. I haven't run them long enough to see exactly how long they run. Sorry. You know, batteries are batteries, and the batteries seem pretty solid, so they should run for a good bit of time. They're not adjustable intensity-wise. You know, it's a drawback, but they're quite innovative. They come in a couple different flavors. One with a suction cup to the windshield, or, you know, a clean body panel, or a vice grip style mount. So it's a really cool way to, well, get light where you need it, because we all know, you know, lights like these, you know, you hit them and they turn the wrong way, and it's a small company, so there's some less refinement to them, but again, it's a small company, so the product works, it does what it's intended to do, so you know, just take that with a grain of salt. It is a small company. So if you like the product, the link will be in the description. Again, I get nothing from this. If you buy anything from them, it's, you know, just goes to the company. It doesn't come to me. So I figured y'all would want to see about an innovative product, and it is innovative. But again, you know, I figured y'all would want to see an innovative product. So here it is. Hope you enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.